What's the meaning of crustacean? Crustacean. Crustacean.
Crustacean. Crustacean. A crustacean is a type of arthropod with a hard, external shell covering the body. They typically have two pairs of antennae, compound eyes, and jointed legs, which are often modified for feeding or movement. Crustaceans include many familiar animals such as crabs, lobsters, shrimp, barnacles, and crayfish, as well as lesser-known species like copepods and krill. They are found in all aquatic environments, from deep oceans to freshwater ponds, and play important roles in food webs and ecosystem dynamics. Overall, crustaceans are a diverse and fascinating group of animals essential to the functioning of aquatic ecosystems.